Stop by and take a look at the 2016 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.